Hey, what's up, everybody? OG Hustler right here. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how I took this trade on USDCAD. Um, how I took this trade based on CRT, daily CRT, weekly profile, um, tour soup, stuff like that on this trade where I get 1 to 8 RR. Um, so subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and let me guide you to this breakdown of this trade right here. Use the CAD. Share this video with more people so you can help the channel to grow. Okay, so let's get down to the business. First of all, I'd like to say that the main idea that made me take this trade uh, came from the daily perspective. Okay, came from daily perspective right here. This is the first image, the first screenshot that I took, where the main idea came from. As you can see here, this was a volume imbalance on a daily time frame. The Monday candle was next or near to the volume imbalance, but it didn't really tap into the volume imbalance. Then we waited for Tuesday candle to sweep the Monday candle. So as we wait for the closure of the Tuesday candle, then we'll have the confirmation that we can trade the third candle, which is the Wednesday candle that confirms our CRT setup. So basically, this was the main idea. Then we switched to daily, from daily to 4 hour time frame. I'll show you guys uh, 4 hour time frame here. As you can see, um, as we had a volume imbalance on daily, we also had a volume imbalance on 4 hour time frame. Okay, so which made this setup more accurate. Okay, was more clarified because we had um, confirmation inside the confirmation. We had a daily confirmation. We had a 4 hour confirmation. So I was really waiting for a total sweep here on 5 p.m. CRT on this volume imbalance, which was the key level that I was waiting price to reach and sweep this high of 5 p.m. CRT high. Okay, so let me guide you guys to the breakdown of this trade so you can see how I really took this trade. Okay, let's get down to the business real quick. Okay, let me explain. First of all, let's see what on the daily time frame what actually USDCAD was doing. Okay, what price was doing. Price came from a big expansion. Okay, as we know, um, in the paradigm of the market, market comes switch from um, expansion to retraction, and then you can expect another expansion after a retraction. Then you can expect also sometimes a consolidation. So here, after this big move, this expansion move, I was really waiting for a retracement. So where could I expect this retraction to happen? in this volume imbalance. This was my key level on a daily time frame. Okay, so I was waiting for to see a confirmation on Tuesday. Okay, so here we have this candle right here is the daily candle. Is a daily Monday candle. Okay, this is a Monday candle. So the first thing I did was to, after the closure of the daily of the Monday candle, I just marked the high. Okay, Monday high, Monday high, candle range high. Okay, and the Monday candle range low. Monday candle range low. Because as the Monday candle closes, uh, it didn't really tap in this volume imbalance. It failed to tap into it. So we had also here an imbalance. Sorry. So I was expecting to see a turtle soup from this zone, from this key level of daily volume imbalance. Okay. So this is the first vision that I had on a daily time frame. Okay. So now let's play the bar. So as we can uh, see now how the Tuesday candle really did. Let's go for it. Okay, you see here we had a sweep. We had a sweep of Monday high and price tapping to the volume imbalance. Okay, so you see here this candle is a replication of a power free high time frame power free is a candle. This candle right here is a weekly candle. Okay, as we can see, price is above the open of this candle. Okay, is above the open of this candle, this weekly candle. So since price is above the opening line of the weekly candle, we can look for sell setups. We can look for shorts. Okay. And as we saw price running up with this big move, expansion move, we can expect what? Retracement. So where was I expecting for a retracement? Here on this volume imbalance. Okay, guys. So then what I did, I went to the 4-hour time frame and I was waiting for now we have a confirmation that price just retraced back to the Monday range. Um, I was expecting now to see a bearish continuation from the Wednesday candle. Okay, so let's mark the Wednesday. Let's see. I guess it's we can put it here. I guess. Okay. So let's see how it just played out. Uh, okay. Now here we have what? Here we have what? This is a 4 hour, before this candle here. Um, Here we had what? We had this volume imbalance right here on the 4 hour time frame. Okay, guys, on the 4 hour time frame. Um, let's mark it very well so you can see. Okay, this was the volume imbalance. As you can see here, this was my CRT on a 4 hour time frame. Okay, this candle was the 5 p.m. CRT. Okay, so we mark it the 5 p.m. candle range high. So let's put it. Okay, nice, correct. Then I mark it the 5 p.m. candle range low, the bottom. Now, after that, there's something that I want you guys to pay attention because as you can see here, uh, in this setup right here on the 4 hour time frame, we had what? We had an inside bar. So when we have an inside bar, we had an inside bar inside the CRT. That makes the setup more accurate. Uh, that makes the setup to become a high probability setup. Okay, so when I saw this, I knew that this was a high probability setup. But don't forget where we had here here we had the the 5 p.m. Candle range low. It's also the low of Tuesday. So what we're gonna see here? Let's see the next candle. This now is happens to be the Wednesday candle. Okay. All right. We saw here price sweeping the 5 p.m. candle range high. Okay. Price sweeping the candle range high. This is 1 a.m. 4 hour candle. After that, we can switch on a low time frame. Here we had already a trade, but let's take it out. Okay, this is 5 minute time frame. Okay, but we can go to the 2 minutes also and see if there will be if the price is going to back into the range. Okay, so let's see. Okay, we have market structure shift. That's a confirmation that maybe price wants to go lower since it just swept the 5 p.m. 4 hour candle. Okay. And now when this purge just happened, this purge happened on 9, now on um it happens on 4 a.m. Okay? It happened on 4 a.m. New York local time. Okay? 4 a.m. New York local time. So where did I place my entry? But first of all, uh let's change this, put it a little bit away, give more space. Okay, this is where I put my entry on this order block. Okay, stop loss around this zone, and then I went to go to take the Monday low. Okay, to take the Monday low since the daily time frame already confirmed to us that it closed inside the Monday range, the Tuesday candle closed inside the Monday range. Now we can expect the Wednesday to continues to go lower since we have already the confirmation on the high time frame. And we also had a confirmation on the 4 hour time frame that we have an inside bar inside 5 p.m. 4 hour CRT. Okay, so this is very clear uh, that this is a high probability trade. So let's see how it just played out. We are already inside the trade. Remember that we are selling above midnight open. We are selling above weekly open, so which makes our trade more accurate, which makes it a high probability uh, trade. So we are in a correct direction. This is a setup, okay? Or you can call it also A plus setup. The first target here is to take the 5 p.m. 4 hour candle. That's the first target. But I didn't really took partial from this trade because I was very, very certain about this trade. So I was very confident about it. Uh, but you shouldn't be so confident because sometimes price uh, just retrace. But in this trade, I was so confident that I didn't really care about taking partials. Now we already took um, the 5 p.m. candle range low. We had a retrace back into the 5 p.m. candle range. Uh, so let's see how it just played out. Let's go a little bit more faster. Boom, TP hit. As you can see here, TP hit. Okay. Uh, the trade I took wasn't really 1 to 9, it was 1 to 8. I think my stop loss was a little bit here. Okay, now it's 1 to 8. So as you can see here, we got our TP price reaching and uh, sweeping the low of Monday candle range. Okay, so now this is our full CRT. We can now switch to the daily time frame to see how it just ended up. Okay, as you can see here on the daily time frame, uh, that's exactly a perfect CRT. Monday accumulation, Tuesday manipulation, Wednesday distribution. That's the free candle, which makes our CRT. Okay. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, share this video with more people so they can also learn from this video right here. So I can also come with more videos like this, with more breakdowns, with more techniques and some tips of CRT, ICT concepts. Okay. This is OG Hustler, and I see you guys on the next video. I'm out.